All right, we have a little disturbance here, right here. But if you really look how this is moving, see how it's going that way? So I think it actually misses most of our area. Maybe a spritz on the Vineyard or Nantucket, and clear skies not only for tomorrow morning, but all day long tomorrow. So mostly clear tonight with those winds easing some, and the chance of a spritz on the Cape. In the 30s early tomorrow morning, above freezing in Boston and along the coast, but could be a little below freezing, especially the elevated areas north and west. And there's your bright day tomorrow, the pick of the week. Sunshine, not as windy as today. 47 to 54 degrees. There still could be a few gusts around late morning or up to lunchtime that could be 20 or 25 miles an hour. But that's not 40, 50 miles per hour. And look at the high temperatures in the afternoon. And with the wind lessening, it's really going to feel nice early to mid-afternoon, low 50s, upper 40s across Worcester County. All right, then our attention will turn mostly to the south, as well as to this system. Sometimes you can get these two systems to join when the jet stream allows that to happen and right up the coast. That's how we get our big storms. Well, this eventually will be a powerful storm out in the ocean. But by the time the two of them fully get together, this storm will be way to our east. Nonetheless, the two may interact a little bit, and that's how we can get some light precipitation just as they begin to try to join forces later Friday into Friday night. Then cold, dry weather will follow for Saturday. So a closer look at how Friday could play out. Clouds will be thickening early in the day. Precipitation could start to break out as a little bit of light rain, maybe a little bit of a mix or a few flakes in the higher elevations. But the wind will be coming in out of the east. It won't be that cold. But Friday night, the wind starts coming from the northeast and north. It gets a little colder. And if precipitation is falling, it could turn over to some light snow before it moves offshore by Saturday. So if there's going to be any accumulation of a coating to an inch or so, it figures to be in eastern Mass, perhaps around the South Shore and parts of the Cape. Just something to watch. And remember, this is the weekend. We spring forward 2 a.m. on Sunday, leading to those later sunsets starting on Sunday. Beautiful day tomorrow. Keep an eye on later Friday into Friday night. Windy and cold on Saturday. And by the way, those winds could be quite strong on the Cape overnight Friday night and early on Saturday. But notice we warm up to 50 Sunday afternoon. And look at Monday, well into the 60s, might even approach 70 in spots. Hope to see you later on tonight. I'm meteorologist Harvey Leonard.